We're going to try and solve this problem for process costing. So our questions is asking for the inventory transferred out of cooking department, this one, and uh, working in process remaining, that's your ending WIP in your packing department, and ending inventory in the packing department, cooking department po ito, and then ending inventory in the packing department, okay? And then cost of goods manufactured. Let's check the details. Ira Company mass produces potato chips using a process that involves two departments, cooking and packing. Materials are added at the beginning of the process. The cooking department accounts for its production using the FIFO method. FIFO daw ito. At ito naman ay weighted average method. So, there. So, we will solve it like how you will solve it in your board exams. So, iba po yung presentation sa paper ng process costing, no. So this is the way para mabilis tayo. Okay? So like how we normally solve it. Let's solve for cooking department first. Capital natin, no. Cooking. This is FIFO. So there you have your materials, you have your conversion cost. And this is how I normally do it, no. So i-plot ko muna yung total. You know that you have your beginning of 60,000 plus 150, that means 210,000 ang total to account for, no? Now, it says here also na tapos mo na yung 180 units. So how do you know your ending inventory? So 210 minus 180, that's 30,000 na nasa ending inventory. Now, I account for S&T. What's S&T? Started and transferred, and your beginning. And both of these are collectively called as transferred out. So there, your beginning inventory is 60,000. So 210 minus 30 minus 60, you have, again, let's do it, minus 30 minus 60, 120,000 na started and transferred. Ito po yung inumpisahan natin tapos na transfer, natapos din siya this period, no? Now, since this is FIFO, we're not gonna account for um, those amounts that is related from the beginning inventory na nagawa na. So let's just account for those that we finish this period. Okay, since this is FIFO. Yun yung idea doon. So since it says here na materials are added in the beginning of the process, so malamang hindi na natin po i-account itong materials nitong 60,000 units na ito. That's 0% kasi nga po nasa part na siya ng beginning. Hindi na muna natin siya i-account dito sa part na ito. So this is 100% kasi nga po inumpisahan natin tapos natapos na rin natin ngayon. That's 100%. And also, nasa beginning, nasa start of the process, nilagay na po yung 100% materials. And this one is also 100%. Kahit hindi pa tapos sa conversion, yung materials na ilagay na po sa 100%. So this is 0. This is 120,000, 30,000. Total of 150,000. Sa direct materials naman po, this is conversion naman po. We're gonna see here 40% daw po yung completed. So, ibig sabihin, ang magtatrabaho na lang natin ngayon is about 60% of this one. And also, ito since started and transferred naman na siya, inumpisahan mo this period, natapos mo rin this period, this is 100%. Ito namang ending inventory, dito mag-ingat ka, no? Kasi nakalagay dito, percent of work remaining. Ibig sabihin, 70% ang tatapusin next period, ang nagawa lang natin, we were able to do 30%. of the job here. So there, total natin, 60,000 times 0.6, that's 36,000. Of course, 120,000 here. 30%, that's 9,000 here. Total of 9 plus 120 plus 36, that's 165. Diba? Okay. So, ganito natin na-solve. Now, since this is FIFO, I will always keep on reminding you that this is FIFO. That's why you're accounting for the current costs and the current activities only, no? For now, dito sa part na ito. So, direct materials is 630 divided by 150,000. Okay na lang lagay natin. You have your EUP or cost per EUP. This is your EUP. EUP. Your cost per EUP, 630 divided by 150. That's 4.2 right here. Dito naman po, 841. 500 divided by 165K. Meron naman tayong 5.1 dyan. Now, kasi ang hahatiin natin dito is yung transferred out and then yung ending inventory para ma-account natin, no? That's really the goal here. So your transferred out is going to be 4.2 times, ito po kasi yung transferred out. Ito naman po yung ending. Wait lang, ilagay ko muna yung mga transferred out, ano? Yan po. So 120. Ayusin ko lang yung pagkakasulat nito. This is 4.2 times 120,000. Dito naman times, pagplasin na lang natin, 120 plus 36,000 times 5.1. That's 795, 600. Sorry. Mhm. 120 plus 36. Mali ako. Na-i-direct ko agad. So that's 156 times 5.1. 795, 600. Dito naman, 4.2, 504,000. There. Ito po ay transferred out. So that's 504 plus 795, 600. 1,299, 600. Yan po. Kailangan po natin i-add yung mga nasa beginning just so that we can account for all the costs na included sa transfer out natin para mawala na sa atin. So, we have these amounts, no? Ngayon na natin sila idadagdag. Okay? That's 50,000, 16,400. So, ang total po ng transferred out natin ay 1,366,000. This is your transferred out cost. No? Nakulang pa tayo. Lagay ko na lang dito. This is transferred out cost. Meron pa tayong ending WIP cost na kailangan ma-account. Now, ito naman po yon. Itong 9,000 tsaka 30,000. Ngayon, gagamitin pa rin natin yung cost per EUP. That's 4.2 times 30,000. And then 5.1 times 9,000 naman. $126,000. 45,900 naman ito. Last ulit. 171,900. Okay, so may mga masasagutan na tayo, no? Dito, number 1, transferred out. Ito po yung amount. Yung for this period po ito. Tapos yung mga post last period po ang mga ito. Which is, nandito po yan naka-attach sa beginning inventory. Since 0 naman dito at yung 40% naman dito, yung 100% niya at yung 40% niya na nasa beginning, yun po ito. Okay? So from beginning po ito. Ito po yung this period. Okay? So, 1366 ang sagot natin sa number 1. Dito naman sa number 2, masasagutan na ba natin? Ending ng cooking, yes, 171,900. Okay? So, let's continue the process. Baba ko lang ng konti, ano? Or palilitin ko. Yan. I hope nakikita pa rin yung problem. Or you can take a screenshot on your phone, on your other phone perhaps, and then para mabasa mo. Okay? There. So, gawin naman natin yung sa hacking department. Lagyan lang natin ng linya dito. I hope magkasya, no? Hacking department. Ito naman po ay weighted sa average method. Same thing, we have your material, conversion cost. And then, ganun po natin i-plot ulit, no? 1, 2, and then here. So, there. This side naman, we have 40,000 as a beginning. This one is your beginning, and your S and P, we don't know that yet. Pero alam mo na meron kang 40,000 na beginning, tapos meron silang ipinasok na, ilan po yan? Transferred out is this one. That's a total of 180. That's 220 to account for. And how do you know your ending? Sabi niya po dito, 20,000 units daw po. Actually, nakalista na rito. 20,000 units daw po ang ending. So, ang S&T po natin is 220 minus 20 minus 40 is 160. Try lang natin pagkasahin, ano? It's 20,000. 200. Times. Ganito ko pa rin po ina-account yung kahit na weighted average method kasi masasagasaan niya lahat. I mean, kung may additional question pa yung problem, for example, at pwede ko siyang i-tweak sa FIFO, same data, pwede kong gawin yan. So, this one is your transferred out. Hinahati ko pa rin siya. So, although I know that this is already 100%, kasi nga po, weighted average method po, hindi natin hinihiwala yung ending inventory. Pwede mo naman pong gawing 160 plus 40, that's 200. As your transferred out, pwedeng ganito. Transferred out, and then end. 200 yan, then 20. Mas madali po. Pero para sa akin, this accounts for everything. So, sanay ako sa ganito and I hope magaya mo din para marami kang masagutan with the same method at hindi ka na rin malito. So, 20,000, 100% na rin po yan since nilalagay nga po yung materials at the beginning of the process. So, this is 20, 160, 40,000, total of 220,000. Dito naman, we have 100% na rin dito. 100% na rin dito. Now this one, dito lang tayo magkakaproblema, 20,000 units. 30% daw po ang percent of work remaining, meaning ang nagawa natin ngayon is 70%. Okay, 20,000 times 0.7, it's 14,000 here, 160,000 here, 40,000 here, plus 14 plus 160 plus 40, 214,000. Alright. So there, iusog ko lang ano. So 214,000. Now let's get your cost per EUP. Now, dito tayo magkaka-iba doon sa FIFO. Ano? Ang i-account na natin, pwede na natin tong ilagay yung beginning. No? So this one and this one for the materials. Ito po yung kaibahan ng weighted average tsaka dun sa FIFO. So 380 plus 513. Actually, para magkasya yung space natin, no, ipa-plus ko na lang agad, no, 380,000 plus, okay, i-tick ko lang dito para alam mo kung ano yung inaano ko, 380,000 plus 500,000. That's 880,000. Ito naman, 513,600 plus 770,000. Wait, ulitin ko lang. 770, 400 plus 513,600. That's 1284. So, i-divide natin sa 214K. Yan po yun, EUP. EUP. Divided by 220K. We get, this is your cost per EUP. Have 6 pesos. We have 4 pesos. Okay? So, gaya nung ginawa natin kanina, we're accounting for transferred out. Ito po, ilagay ko lang dito na lang sa kabila. Transferred out. Cost. So, 4 times, ito nga po ulit yung transferred out. Sorry. Ito po yung portion ng transferred out. Okay. Pwede na po natin pagplasin 160,000 plus 40,000. Ito po yun. Multiplied by 4. That's 800,000. Ito naman po, 200,000 pa rin. Ito po yan. Tsaka ito. 200,000. 200,000 times 6. That's 1.2 million. Okay. Transferred out cost. Baba lang muna natin ano. Kulang pa po ito ha. So this naman is your ending, which is 20,000 and 14,000. Still multiplied by the same cost EU per EUP, 20,000 20K na lang, ano? And then, 14K. 80,000 po. 84,000. Ito naman po yung ending WIP. Okay? Now, let's not forget, no, na meron pong transferred in cost. Nung nilipat po itong 180 na ito mula sa booking department, meron po yung laman na transferred in cost, which is ito po yun. Kasi nga, transferred out na siya sa Department 1, which is your cooking department, napunta na po siya dito sa department na ito. So, this one contains 1,366,000 na transferred in cost. At, yung beginning inventory po, parang ganito po kasi yan. Cooking department, tapos packing, no? Ganyan po. Meron po siyang transfer na nagkakahalaga ng 1,366,000 papunta rito sa department. So mapupunta na po dito yung 1.366, tapos meron din po na beginning inventory. Samantalang nakikita po natin dito na 40,000 na beginning inventory si packing department. Yan po ay may laman din na transferred in cost kasi nung transferred in siya last period, meron pa rin po siyang laman. Kaya nga lang hindi nga siya natapos. That's why meron pa rin siyang amount included in its amount na transferred in cost. Ito po actually yan. Nakikita nyo dito. So, may 834,000 na transferred in cost dyan. So, ang gagawin natin, i-allocate natin yan. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng 1.366 at yung 834 mapupunta lahat sa actually yung 834 we can understand some almost actually most of it mapupunta yan dito sa transferred out. And then yung 1366 maybe not all of it kasi 20 out of 180 ay nag-remain po sa ending inventory. Now, to spread out the cost, ganito po natin siya gagawin. No? We're going to add this amount. So, that would total to 1,366. Wala na po yan. 1,366,000 plus how much is that? 834,000. Okay? Ito po yan. 834. Tapos ito po, transferred out. Again, this one and this one. Yan po yung amount na pinag-add natin. So, 2.2 million po yan, kabuuan. Ang tawag po dyan ay transferred in cost. Okay? I-allocate natin. Ilagay na lang natin dito, 220. 2,200,000. Allocate natin dito sa transferred out. Mapupunta yung iba dito. Mapupunta yung iba dito. Mapupunta yung iba dito. Now, what we can do is a ratio, no? Para may spread out itong cost na to dun sa mga nandun sa transferred out at yung natitira. So we can use this ratio, no? 220 yung ilalim. Yung ibabaw for this ending is 20. Ito naman po ay pag-add natin yung 160 and yung 40. That's 220. Oh, sorry, 200 pala. Which is also your transferred out cost. Transferred out in units. Over 220. So, i-multiply natin lahat dito, no? So, 200 over 220 times 2.2 million, we have 200,000. 2 million pala. Added dyan. Okay. So again, this is also cost na dapat sama sa mga cost i-forward natin sa finished goods. Okay? Times 20 over 220. Ang napunta naman po dito ay 200 po. So plus. Tatlo po ito. This is transferred in cost. Plus ito po yung material na na-allocate dito sa transferred out. At ito naman po yung conversion na na-allocate sa transferred out. So added 2 million plus 800 plus 1.2, that's 4 million. And note that this is also your cost of goods manufactured. Kasi nga po, finished goods na po ito. Finished goods na. Kanina po, ito hindi pa po siya finished goods. Transfer lang po siya. Transfer lang po siya papunta rito. Pero ito po ay mapupunta na sa transfer sa finished goods, pwede na po siyang ibenta. Now, we were asked a while ago, how much is the cost of goods manufactured? We already have an answer for that. That's 4 million. And also, we're ending with on the department 2. Ito po ang sagot natin, 200,000 plus 80 plus 84. So, 100, 80 plus 84, 364,000. Alright? So, iayos ko lang ito, no? This is $2.2 million allocated sa transferred out tsaka sa e-whip. This is your transferred in cost. So, ayan po. I hope I was able to help. Thank you for watching.